The WEN DF450i Inverter Generator is a versatile power solution capable of running on both gasoline and propane, providing up to 4,500 surge watts and 3,500 rated watts on gasoline or 3,150 running watts on propane. Designed with quiet operation in mind, this generator operates at only 58 decibels at quarter load, similar to the noise level of a typical conversation, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, and backup power. The advanced auto fuel selection technology minimizes hassle by automatically switching between propane and gasoline, ensuring longer run times without manual intervention. Its fuel shutoff feature prevents carburetor issues by using up remaining fuel before shutdown, reducing maintenance needs and extending the generator's lifespan. With a total harmonic distortion under 0.3% at no load, it safely powers sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones without risk of damage. Portability is a key feature thanks to its lightweight design, built-in wheels, and folding handle, while the generator also includes a variety of outlets and a user-friendly digital display.